Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Teams and choosing the exact chat or channel where you'll send the file. This ensures recipients have access. Once done, decide whether to drag the file into the message box for a quick inline share or click Attach to upload to the channel's Files tab for versioning. Make sure the file is the right one and under any size limits. Preparing the correct file now avoids resending and permission problems later. Next, attach the file. Drag and drop into the message box for instant upload, or click the attach icon and choose OneDrive, upload from my computer, or browse Teams and channels. For channel posts, upload to the Files tab and then share a link so versioning and co-editing work. Make sure to set permissions. If the file is from OneDrive or SharePoint, adjust view or edit rights so recipients can open it. Doing this prevents access errors. And finally, press send and watch the upload progress until it completes and a thumbnail or link appears. That confirms delivery. Then confirm recipients can open the file, ask them to open it, or enable a read receipt, because upload doesn't guarantee permission. If someone can't access it, check SharePoint/OneDrive permissions, file size limits, or blocked file types and re-upload if needed. If problems persist, copy the file link and paste it into the chat with explicit share settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.